Hey, Patty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC reacts to Chirsean Rock and Blueface. Let's get into it.
Yo, that Henny is back, bro. That shit is.
You know what's crazy? Everybody getting sick right now. This.
Not them.
The hell? What was y'all
You don't
eating
get
at?
sick when you drink Henny.
Yeah, don't eat at the movies.
That's why AMC filed bring.
Bro, that's a proven fact, gang. When you drink Henny, nah, this kid is checking Chirsean out right here. This kid is on her body. Yo, proven fact though. When you're drinking Hennessy, you don't get sick, bro. That's a fact.
See that one time. What y'all been up to? Everything good? Y'all about to get dripped out?
Yeah, I got some new shit.
You see what's on my feet? These come out in February. Y'all want these?
Shit's ugly.
Hey, what See what's on my feet? These come out in February. Y'all want these?
Shit's ugly.
Hey, what Hey, what's up, man? Hey, bring up that real quick, man.
What are those, though?
It's fire. If you was a stylist and you saw this fit in public, would you be like, this is a 10, this is a 5, what's it?
Let's see what Clarence got to say about that.
To be honest, you my man.
It's like a mannequin fit, like a.
I'm gonna put y'all going.
Like a 7.
Respect. What you think? You a female? If a random girl on the street saw me, yeah, what you think?
Just sleeve down a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, what? What's the number?
Not weird.
What would you rate?
What was your rating?
It's not a fit.
Alright, bro.
That's a 0.
That's a 0. And that's from a female's perception, so I gotta switch it up then, because that means I can't get no girls if I'm in the public size.
What?
You got clothes on, but it's not a fit.
Right? What size y'all wear? Hey, John, you wanna help me get some
It's
shoes?
about Chirsean
you
being
don't like
joked
you don't get the orange lobsters. They ain't out yet.
Oh, yeah, you don't got that. What size
Yeah,
you? What size? 12? Nah, we got.
Oh, fuck, we got 11.
I tried it on. Fuck.
Show them joints? I know you're gonna vibe with those.
Take a shot.
She really on a cleanse.
I'm really sick, babe. Come on, yo. You just saw me go crazy this 20 minutes
It'll
ago.
numb the sickness away.
Not the, no, it's like.
Yo, what the fuck?
I was just wondering the same thing. What happened?
Did y'all just see that? That was beast. Whoever just unsent the link is beast. Like, that is neck.
I got through this shit.
Oh, yeah, you did.
That's heavy.
Shut up, no.
Comment down below.
Duty
I've been traveling,
neck.
making money.
Yep. Chill with
Wow.
Speaking of chairs, I gotta talk to you, man. I know. You remember that chair right there?
Damn.
What?
You don't remember the chair?
I'm about to try this too.
Yo, should I get the orange
You recently
lobsters?
was just in Atlanta with my boy Kai. That shit been going viral with a chair and you threw it against the wall. Let's talk to me about that, man. What happened? That's my dog.
I just did a chair.
And then what'd you say after? You said
Should I
you
get
rich,
the
you
orange
got it.
lobsters?
No. It was more like
Those is great feet.
everybody had a character and I had a character, so.
That was probably the funniest stream I ever seen in my life. That ass. I watched that shit twice.
Who has a fucking character?
What's that? Can I see that?
I'm sorry,
What is
Sean.
that?
I don't know.
Wait, I've never seen that.
I don't know.
What is that?
Cartier.
Cartier?
Yeah, that shit's different. That's
Nah, hold up.
That's normal. That's different.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
Hold on, man.
You got music out now, huh? You got something.
Hey, that wire was here. The last time it was here, I didn't see all this ice. What's going on?
What's going on?
I didn't even wear all my.
Talk to us, man. Let's get a drip check.
I don't even got no drip on. Cause he always yelling at
She
somebody.
said no.
He wasn't yelling at
no
you.
drip on,
Yeah.
and then showed
I
the
got through
drip.
this shit.
Oh, yeah, he did.
Yeah, she was pretty wrong for
Shut up, no.
Comment down below if she was wrong for that. Put that little clip.
They hot.
Henny to their faces.
Oh, they harder on the ground.
You just dropped my shoe. What you doing?
Why'd she drop your shoe like
I'm
that?
just looking at it.
Come on, cuz. Don't do that weird shit, bro. Pick my shit up. You kicking it? What you doing?
I'm looking at it.
Nah, you weird, cuz.
Look, shit is way different now.
You was too sensitive.
Shit is way different now, nigga. Shorty's turning up. He said I pick my
Oh,
shit up.
shoe. We're not supposed to do that. Not for the
Bro,
people.
why my shit? Why?
Oh, y'all want to get slapped for watching?
Nah, I don't want no issues. I'll clock out. I don't want no issues with you. Alright, so he got those. You shopping for some shoes, or you just came for your mans and let him get some drip today? Or you want some drip for yourself?
Oh, the same shit he got here.
Do we got it? What size you wear? What do we have?
7.
Oh no, we don't got a small size, right? And boys?
Yeah.
We'll get something for you, though. Let me see what I got.
And what you wearing? 12? Let me see.
Nah, I've definitely seen people look at shoes like that too. So they'll drop the whole shoe down, put their foot in it without touching it and shit. Niggas is crazy.
Lil, you don't fuck with these. You just came out too to Jordan 4 nears. But it's a 12.5 though. I gotta see if I should have a small size.
Well, I have to get those too.
You didn't tell me where you got these from, by the way. Where can somebody get this? Shout out to Jeweler, man.
Raphael Jeweler. Feel me downtown.
LA?
Yeah.
That shit's hard.
They ugly, bro.
This is ugly.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nah, bro.
Let's go see some 6 and ass. Hey, your song been going crazy, by the way. I've been cranking that shit. Vibes? Yeah.
Sing that, yeah.
Hey, sing that joint, man. Do a quick performance at Coolkicks real quick, man. Drop your hit single.
Yeah,
Oh, that's the dance?
It's 30.
She getting sturdy with it. Hey, that shit catchy. You got any new music dropping outside of that? You got the new music dropping?
The love is mad random.
Yeah.
That's a 7 though.
Heavy. But I need to buy them again.
Bet. So we got them. If you want them from
I
us.
lost them.
That's a 7 though, size 7.
That's a 7. What's that?
6.5.
She lost them.
How you lose that shoe? That joint's like 2 G's. You be losing shit a lot?
Sometimes she'll go outside with shoes on and then come back inside with no shoes on. No shoes on.
How the fuck that possible?
Because I party like a rockstar.
That's a mood.
You only live once.
Now that's you only live once. Life is way too short to be stressing and arguing over some dumb shit. I'm gonna use Show the trophy room. She gonna fuck with these. What style do you like? The low tops, high tops?
High, low. You know, some shit that you over. I'm a little picky.
These are the actual shoe that was the Hennessy bottle was in. This you probably like these, the trophy rooms, classics.
Maybe we fuck with Red.
I don't know. I think they got some harder shit.
Let's show us some harder shit.
Word.
Let's see what we got over here.
Why you so
Ooh. Trophy room 7s. Look at the details.
Alright.
Potential?
Yeah, you can get those.
So we getting closer over here, man.
Yeah, I kind of like those.
I don't like those trophy.
Let me see what else.
Trophy.
They look pick those.
Jordan 4
Because you got a trophy, so I got those.
You already got these? Goddamn, how many shoes you got?
We come here all the time.
You do. I only got this many shoes. These just came out too, the Jordan 1, what's these called now? Taxis. Let me see, we got something for you. Hold up. Some simple forces with some.
They are.
No white shoes for her.
Want you to fuck them up?
Babe, I do need white shoes though. Get those too.
You sure?
Yeah, I do. I need some.
Yeah. This one's alright. I'm gonna bless you on this one.
They look big as shit though.
Yeah, they try hard on the
They just be shopping different, bro.
Bronx. Oh, they hard. Oh, those. These are the ones.
Like these?
No.
Yeah.
No, what size?
It's a 6.5. That's
What are those?
details. Fuck them up?
Babe, I do need white shoes.
Why you say Bronx like that at the bottom?
Yeah, I do. I need some.
Yeah. This one's alright. I'm gonna bless you on this one.
They look big as shit though.
Yeah, they try hard on the bottom. I didn't realize the details.
Bronx. Oh, they hard. Oh, those.
Bronx
Oh,
Forces
these the
got
ones.
it.
Like these?
No.
But that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
No, what
Shot
size?
different. She just shopping with,
6.5,
they
that's
shopping
what
with their
Okay,
eyes and
they
shit.
look
I
good.
gotta feel my sneaker.
You
Oh,
said
shit.
6.5 for boys.
Let me see those.
Yeah, get the one she told you was 7. I got
Those
those.
is okay.
You said no white shoes, but I need white shoes.
So I had one outing with this shit.
One outing.
One outing with one night of Hennessy and you done.
Right?
No, I'm going to take them off.
Oh, so these are classics, the flu game 12.
I have those.
God damn, you got more sneakers than Coolkicks.
Alright, we getting drunk. looked like we wasn't sick.
You know what to say the best medicine is, right?
Tequila.
Tequila. But what's the second closest thing to tequila?
Hennessy.
It's Hennessy. It's liquor.
Why are you trying to get her drunk?
Hennessy is.
Take a shot.
It'll numb all your pains away. Instead of taking Tano and Advil, you take a Hennessy.
Worse.
I know. Whatever I'm saying, don't listen. I'm not a professional doctor. No, I'm just talking just to talk before y'all try to cancel me in the comments. You got new music dropping? What's up with you?
Yeah, nah, we about to drop a show actually.
What, a tour?
No,
just a show?
Yeah.
Out here?
Reality show.
Oh, y'all got a reality show coming?
It's a docu-series actually.
Yes, I got documentary, yes.
Not a reality show.
Right.
When?
Docu-series.
And where? That shit about to go viral. People.
Zeus Network.
Oh, damn.
Crazy in Love.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that.
When's it dropping?
Next this month.
Oh, damn.
December,
So you already filmed everything?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. This shit about to go crazy. I'm tuned in. Crazy in Love. Damn. How long y'all been together now?
I'm tuned into that.
About like 2 months, you know.
Damn, time fly by with all the history y'all got.
I know, right?
2 years and 2 months. She ain't feeling that comment. Not that ass. How long y'all been together?
Answer?
We never went together.
Also, you never asked her out? Y'all just like
No.
talking? Y'all just talking? Y'all still in the talking stages?
No, because you want to say dumb shit. You want to say 2 months. What
Look,
do you
about
mean?
to turn up.
What's your answer?
No, what is your answer?
I just gave my answer. What's yours?
2 months? Bet.
Bet. You see that chair, right? You already see what she... Let me put this shit back. Now,
What's your answer?
You always do this weird shit.
What's your answer?
Now I'm uncomfortable.
No, don't be uncomfortable with vibing with family.
You don't like the way she's looking.
Don't be messing with her. She don't feel good.
We'll fix her hair, bro.
So what's the answer? What's the real answer?
Hair in the jacket, please. Somebody help her.
You ready? You got your shoe?
You gonna try to join on, or you good?
She ready to go now. You playing a game.
You said this look big. I don't want you to get a shoe that can't fit.
I'm just dramatic. They hard.
So they gonna fit? 6.5.
Stop.
Yo!
Stop doing that.
No, what did you plan?
So you're good? So they.
Your hairbrush is on the floor.
All right. So we got 3 shoes.
Come on, what's up with you? No.
Turning me down.
Hey yo!
What?
All right.
I ain't seen nobody do that since middle school.
That's how you
Cool.
play.
Ha. Come here.
Come here where?
Shut it. Over here.
Hug it out.
Yo.
Remember, life's short. Hug it out. The holidays is coming out. Remember, this is the month of love.
Yo, fuck. The fuck?
Drink your water,
What y'all doing for Christmas? Is your first Christmas together? Or second?
I don't know what to say. You answer this one.
What are you talking about?
Smart
Be real
one.
into this.
Answer the question. Answer the question back.
Why you don't like how
Don't
I
answer shit.
She ain't answering shit.
There it is. You heard it here first.
This weird shit. Oh, niggas water sound. Oh. Yeah. That's oh, you about to yell at me?
No. I feel like he did it on purpose, so I'm
Cause
like,
he didn't.
That's hard.
You just gotta see it from a point of view, like.
You like
But you got
those?
shoe stains on the bottom too. Why you chains got? Hold on.
Those
That's how you see them better?
That's how you see. You like that view better?
Drop them down a little
are,
bit.
yeah, bro.
Hey, these joints got the shit stain joints too.
Nah, that's New York Mets. That's like bubble.
Why they copy the dog shit?
Baseball.
These joints hard.
Like a couch.
You ain't like these?
yeah, they kind of
You
hard.
don't think you can fit them?
But are they harder than these though?
The suede 11s are hard. What size is that?
But try.
You can try them.
I think these are.
Shit's ass. Dumb shit right there is ass.
You like that view? You
These
like the
is
point of
fast.
view? What's this point called? The bird's eye view?
Bird's eye
The
view is
11 is
crazy.
hard.
They don't look good. It's directly aligned to your eyes.
They not cute. They look like white. Like. They look like shit.
And then she
I don't like those either.
leaves the shoe there.
Look hard. Shoe you don't see. That go with your fit right now.
Oh, right. Today.
Oh, man, you should have waited on.
That dress is hard.
Oh no, it was the blue.
So they got him.
Oh, okay.
Why his hair gotta be goofy?
It's not goofy. I didn't say that.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you're bad.
Hey, I don't want no issues with you, alright? I'm keeping my peace with you. I don't want no issues.
So y'all don't got these shoes on my size now.
Nah,
I still got my boy freestyle stuck in my head, man.
what freestyle?
That real certified stepper, man. Take the. What do you say?
What happened?
Real certified stepper. Take the steps to the alley.
Are you fucking with that one?
I was crying, man. That shit had me weak. The whole stream had me weak.
What size is it? 10.5.
Too small. We got bigger sizes than this, the last one?
What's up with this one?
I'm scared about it. Baby, look at this. Big old. With the band, like what?
The best show you guys are lobsters for
Yeah,
sure.
the lobsters be having the band on the claws, so you can't.
They get creative.
And Henny hit different when it's only 5 o'clock, because it's happy hour or somebody.
Better look out.
We got new music dropping, and they got a TV show coming.
Those are bids?
I don't know if it was like going through. I don't know if it was like going through. I don't know.
Yep, that's what we already finished. We finna air it
I
out.
hate that shoe.
That shit gonna break the internet.
It's litty, man.
Can we get a sneak peek? Do y'all make it through the whole season?
Yeah. You clearly shit ain't here.
Yeah, we made it through.
Don't you see him together? Why he asking all these pestering questions, sir? Go to sleep. He need to go to sleep. Leave them alone. They just hugging again. You gonna start some more mess. He trying to get on. He trying to get Chirsean to himself. That ain't gonna work.
You know what I'm saying?
Barely. He kicked me out a few times.
Oh, he did. So I got a question. Y'all got any words of advice for someone, a relationship out there that's been dealing with some shit? How do they overcome it? Because y'all been going through a lot of shit. Keep what?
She swam over to where I was at.
Okay.